What's happening, guys? Gary Jahman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So in this video we're gonna unbox the Sony ZV-1F or ZV-1F. You see right here, right? And as you see, this is a very small box. This also means that a small box means a small camera, right? By the way, this little shot right here is shot on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If you're wondering what kind of camera I'm using for this little angle. Alright, so first thing we have is a 1-year extended warranty. Make sure always, guys, to do this because why not? Better safe than sorry. We got some extra papers, manual, product registration thingies, and all those things, and even an accessories type of guide, or at least some kind of information, which is always nice to have. So let's put that aside, and here it is. Wow, it is really small. It doesn't have anything in it actually. This little paper thing is really weird, by the way. Why use paper? But anyways, what we got here? What the crap is this? Alright, this right here is a little dead cat, I think. I guess, I'm assuming, so that's quite nice to have. Also we got here a charging cable, USB-C that is, which is really nice to have, of course. And then the camera itself, let's do that as the final thing. I see we got something here. I guess that's it. And put that aside. And here, of course, the battery in a soft, kind of like paper towel type of thing. This is the battery. A very small one, the MPBX1. So a very small battery, of course. So I'm very curious about the battery life in the final review video that will be coming in a couple of weeks or so. Here it is, guys. The Sony ZV-1F or ZV-1F. A very small camera. Wow. Ho, ho, ho. This is actually pretty nice, right? Little lens cap here. And then this lens is fixed. 2.0, 7.6 aperture. Okay, let's pop in the battery at the bottom. I do need to put in a SD card slot, by the way, as well. So, see right here. Let's put it in. Lock it, and then turn it on for the very first time. Oh, look at this. That is pretty small, guys. That is pretty small, but I like it. All right, let's do a let's change the cameras. I'm gonna change the Sony a7 III with this one to see the image quality. Right. All right, here we are. We are now live on the Sony ZV or ZV-1F. How does it look? How does it feel like? How does it sound? I put in the microphone as well inside of it, and this is just how it looks straight out of camera. I did see that are a lot of like, how you say that, log profiles as well. So I'm very curious how that will stand up against this Sony a7 III. So let me show you how I'm recording it right now. As you see, it's just there on a little tripod with the thingy cable inside of it, and yeah, that's about it. So nothing very special, but I think the quality, at least on the little screen, looks pretty good. I'm really curious how it is on a bigger screen as well. By the way, this is 4K 25 frames per second, ISO on 125, aperture on f2.5, and shutter speed, of course, on 1/50th of a second. Yeah, so by the way, this is how it looks. So first impression, it feels good, looks good, at least on this little screen. But I have to keep in mind that I need to look in that direction instead of the little screen. So yeah, there it is, the first impressions video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you got any questions about this camera, what you need to know, what you need to learn whatsoever, or you got any tips for me. Let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, so the full review video will come in like maybe 2 weeks or so, or maybe even 1 week. It really depends on how busy I am these days, right? So thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video, comment down below. What do you think about this Sony ZV-1F? I just saw that the microphone is there, so we can just zoom in just a little bit. Now the microphone is gone. Alright guys, see you in the next one. As always, stay safe, stay happy, but also stay healthy. See you in the next one. Good luck.